What's up guys, today I am going to show you how to install Vice City 2018. This is a latest version. To download it, just go to Google. You will find many sources. If you face any problem to download it, then comments below. I am here to help you. So let's begin. I have already downloaded Vice City 2018. Normally all Vice City stay zip. So at first we need to unzip it by this way. That means just extract here. This software already installed because there is no need to install Vice City 2018. Just follow me. After extracting, just click in this icon to play. This is Bengali version, so if you install English version, then you will find another interface. In this new game menu bar, you can play a new game, and in load game menu you can play previously saved game. I hope you understand it. If you have any problem, just comment below. I will solve within 24 hours. So now enjoy this horrible and interesting game. If you like, please like, comment and subscribe.